there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you all friends? See you again on the Widarwanto TV channel. Which on this occasion we will share a little about turtledove in the minds of Javanese culture and society. The turtledove is a bird and is considered sacred by some Javanese people. Turtles are considered to have supernatural power, which are believed to be able to influence the energy atmosphere around them. So that when the turtledove has a good supernatural energy, the owner will also feel the energy of goodness, which include the energy of peace, authority, so that it's believed to be able to boost the smooth fortune of the turtledove owner. In Javanese society, turtle hold a role and position as a companion to Javanese heirloom, namely heirloom keris. Javanese men are not considered perfect when they do not have a wife, house, vehicle, heirloom, keris, and keep turtledove. Thus, my friend, besides being believed to have supernatural power, turtledove also have a very melodious and distinctive voice. Okay, loyal friends, thank you for watching our video. For those who haven't subscribed, please press the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. For what? So that when we share tips and information